Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Marga and I'm a migrant mother living in Germany. This channel is for international expat foreigner migrant parents living in Germany, especially mothers. And it is filled with information that will make you feel more informed and empowered as a parent living in Germany. Today, I want to share with you 10 facts about the Mutterschutz, the maternity protection, that I wish I knew before I became a mother in Germany. And the first fact is that the maternity leave is designed to protect pregnant women and new mothers in the workplace, but also their unborn or newborn baby. The second fact is that the Mutterschutzgesetz, or the Maternity Protection Act, outlines various rules, rights, regulations that ensure the job security, the financial support, and also the workplace safety for expecting mothers and new mothers. The duration of the maternity leave in Germany is usually 6 weeks before the due date until 8 weeks after the birth. But in some situations, like multiple births or premature birth, this could be extended to from 8 to 12 weeks after the birth. And the next fact is that during maternity leave, employees are entitled to receive the same amount of salary that they were receiving before maternity protection. And this is covered by the health insurance, the statutory health insurance, and the employer. So a part comes from the statutory health insurance and the other part comes from the employer. And together, it is the same amount that she was receiving before maternity protection. But for privately insured women, they receive a one-time payment from the Federal Insurance Office. And as for now, at the beginning of 2025, this is 210 euros once. And now the fifth fact, and this is really relevant for privately insured women. Some have this insurance called Krankentagegeldversicherung. And during maternity protection period, these women with this specific insurance are entitled to receive the amount contracted in this specific insurance for the sick days. And the next fact is that maternity leave in Germany is mandatory and the employer cannot terminate a contract of an expecting mother or new mother during this period. But this fact has a however and a but, which are the next facts. So, even if your employer cannot terminate your contract during the maternity protection period, he or she have to know that you are pregnant. But actually, they can inform you that they're going to terminate. They can make it officially, and you still have 2 weeks to inform that you are pregnant or that you just got a baby or miscarried. However, in some situations, could happen that you don't even know that you are pregnant. And in this situation, the deadline it's longer than 2 weeks, but you have to inform your employer as soon as you know. So imagine you just got the termination notice, but you don't know that you're pregnant. And after 3 weeks, you go to the gynecologist and you realize that you're pregnant. Then you can activate the maternity protection on that same day or the next possible day. You know, if it's a Friday on Monday or if it's a Monday on Tuesday, as fast as possible. So you are protected under the maternity protection law. During the maternity protection period, your employer cannot fire you. But in some situations, he or she can. And this will be something like relocation of the business, or if there is a partial or total closure of business and they cannot transfer the pregnant or new mother to another position. Also, if there is a serious breach of duty by the employee, this may justify a dismissal. But in all of these cases, there is supervisory authority, Aufsichtsbehörde, and this Aufsichtsbehörde has to approve the dismissal. Before the approval of the Aufsichtsbehörde, you are not dismissed. Pregnant women and new mothers are entitled to a special protection at work, and this includes no hazardous work, no overtime, no night shifts, and not working for long periods standing. And the last fact is that after the maternity protection period ends, women are entitled to return to the same position they had previously and under the same conditions. On my channel, I have many informative videos, including one with a lot of details about the Mutterschutz, so don't forget to check that out. But I also have videos about the Elterngeld and the Elternzeit. I hope you liked this video. If yes, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have any question related to this or any other topics about parenting in Germany, you can write a comment on the comment section of this video down below, and I will answer as soon as possible. Also, give me a follow to stay always informed, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!